have your attention for the following information about safety on board. This aeroplane has 4 emergency exits, 2 in the rear and 2 in the front. All emergency exits are indicated by exit signs. In case of an evacuation, emergency floor lighting will lead to the exits. We will now show you how to open and close your seatbelt. For safety reasons, you are required to keep your seatbelt fastened for takeoff and landing, and whenever you are seated. We are now going to show you how to use the oxygen masks. The yellow oxygen masks are located overhead. In case of loss of cabin pressure, the masks will automatically appear. Take the nearest mask and place it over your nose and mouth. Secure the oxygen mask by placing the elastic band around your head. Then help children and other passengers in need. Continue breathing normally. The Safety on Board card is in your seat pocket. It contains useful safety information, so please read it carefully. As we are now preparing for takeoff, make sure that your seat back is in the fully upright position and your table is folded away. Check that your hand luggage is properly stowed in the overhead bins or under the seat in front of you. Passengers seated in a bulkhead or emergency exit row must stow all their hand luggage in the overhead bins. For safety reasons, please make sure that mobile phones and other wireless transmitting devices are either set to flight mode or completely switched off for takeoff and landing. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket. Please note that smoking is not permitted at any time on board this aircraft, neither in the cabin nor in the lavatories. If you have any further questions, please contact a member of the cabin crew. Thank you for your attention.
Departure in about 30 seconds. Kör in.
Damen und Herren, wir weisen Sie noch einmal darauf hin, dass das Rauchen an Bord nicht gestattet ist. Zur eigenen Sicherheit sind Sie verpflichtet, sich anzuschnallen, wenn immer Sie Ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben. Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to remind you once again that smoking is prohibited on board this aircraft. For your own safety, you are required to do your seatbelt fasten whenever you see this.